Thousand guys. Pretty. But when you kill a Muthi grinder. How are you though? Pleasure meeting you. Thousand Jumelang Khanyali said, I am Mrs. Wick and I'm here with my good friend Tinyoko Masingi, the owner of Fukani Africa. And Nakiwayana technology and I need to grind Muthi. And we are here, Katawaya how a Muthi grinder. Please take me through it.
Okay.
Over to you, sir.
So, mona na limuchini oil and 2.9 kimuchini wa kekeko wa sila di karanona. Ona how safe how channel or the other one. Or more safe di kar. So if you can take a look more, you can see how na safe.
Yeah.
So how guy how sila di kar how you also need to use a safe way to learn more safe we safe
Oh.
Yes. So ona wa sila as you can see yes.
Oh, so then Musefo Okamkai is in this mechanic here?
In this mechanism.
Okay,
here.
cool.
Yes, it's from Kamutasi, then it comes here, Molebotolong or packet there, however long you're going.
And it's a powder.
Yeah.
Guys, keep powder.
Keep powder. You can even chat. Yes, this is a powder after it fits out like the carrot.
Okay, I'm curious now. Now I'm very inquisitive. What made you come up with this contraption, Yaro?
You know, my mom came out. So so I was the one who's always keeping like a and you know it's tiring with some miracle using the metal and everything. And you know we always buy in bars. So I couldn't do it anymore, and I said to my mom, you know, I'm with something that can make our life easier and convenient for even though we say you can be able to for we see the little child. That's how the whole idea came about.
Every day.
Every day was coming back from work and then it's a whole lot of work.
Black child, if you don't know, Tinyoko also works on 9 to 5. Maraki no, I'm done to finish. Now tell me, Tinyoko, with regards to these two contraptions, we say
2,900.
Okay, guys, the one air is in the surf, it's 2,900, and then the one that releases Iba powder, it is 3,500. Fukani Africa is based Deep Blue Zone 2, but also we have this beautiful pop-up here, Mofara Day, and